Hi everyone, so my name is Jess Fearnley and I'm a Research and Development Officer here at Orange Ag Institute, and I primarily work with apples and cherries, and some of these apples you're actually eating today. So at Orange Ag Institute we have three different apple projects. The first one is a cider scion wood trial where we're getting all the different types of cider varieties and planting them here at OAI, and then being able to distribute that wood out to industry so they have the capacity to expand their industry and start looking into different varieties that might be suited on their farm to be able to produce quality ciders. The second project that we run is called the Australian Pom Fruit Improvement Program, which is a demonstration site and evaluation block where we are getting all these different types of varieties and testing them for the orange environment. So at the moment we have 60 different varieties here on site where we're taking fruit quality samples, looking at the tree, the way the tree grows, and taking them back to the plant breeders and saying, this is what works in orange, these are the ones that don't, and then they take that information and commercialize these varieties for the industry use. The third project is a new project that we've just got started this year, which is improving Australian apple and pear soils. So we've got a trial site looking at different native pastures, flowering meadow pastures, and legume and clover mixes to see what contributes the best to the soil, improving that soil health to get really good quality fruit. So upping the nitrogen that we see up in the canopy and the fruit, and ensuring that producers can continue to grow quality fruit despite poor quality soils sometimes where we've removed nutrients for too long. We also have a variety of what we call heritage trees. So at the moment we're kind of standing in a block of old Granny Smith varieties and pink ladies, and these were part of a previous trial a couple of years ago looking at different densities, so planting widths in between the trees. We've also got a heritage block which has all these different types of older varieties. You might remember bonsais or Jonathan apples that used to be available on shelf but which since have ceased. Stopped growing these varieties because consumer demand changed, so the growers in these areas decided to move towards your higher colour strain varieties, so those beautiful red and pink ladies, rather than your ordinary colour strains, which we like to call them, of your yellowy apples. We keep these varieties around for people like the Botanic Gardens or the Heritage National Parks, where they're able to planting these varieties to save the genetics.